morning, students of class 7. Well, today I am going to teach you balancing of chemical equations. Children, you must remember that whenever you give an equation in your answer script, you must give a balanced equation, because if you do not give a balanced equation, then it will be marked wrong, because unbalanced equations are not accepted in chemistry. So children, whenever you write an equation, you have to give a balanced equation. So how are we going to balance? Children, there are three methods of balancing of chemical equation. The first one is called hit and trial method. The second one is balancing by ion electron method, and the third one is balancing by oxidation number method. So these three methods are used for balancing equations in chemistry. Now, for the time being, I am going to teach you balancing by hit and trial method, because balancing by oxidation number method and ion electron method are beyond the scope of your syllabus. Ion electron method and balancing by oxidation number method are taught in class 11. So please pay attention. I am going to teach you how to balance by hit and trial method. How many hydrogen atom? 2. How many chlorine atom? 2. And over here, 1 hydrogen atom and 1 chlorine atom. So while balancing, we must check that the number of atoms on the left hand side and the number of atoms on the right hand side must be equal. And if it is not equal, we have to make it equal. So how are we going to do it? See the left hand side, 2 hydrogen atom, 2 chlorine atom, 1 hydrogen atom, 1 chlorine atom. So we are going to put 2 over here. So hydrogen becomes 2, Cl becomes 2. It is balanced. Two nitrogen atom, 2 oxygen atom, 1 nitrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom. Again, the equation is unbalanced. So how are we going to balance it? Put 2 over here. Nitrogen becomes 2, oxygen becomes 2. See here, 2 nitrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, 1 nitrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atom. Please follow. 2 nitrogen atom, 1 nitrogen atom. So put 2 over here. Why I put 2 over here? Because number of nitrogen atom 2 over here. So I purposely put 2 over here. Now when you are putting 2 over here, count the number of hydrogen atom. 2 into 3 will give you 6 hydrogen atom. And here only 2 hydrogen atom. So 2 goes with 6 how many times? 3 times. So hydrogen 3 into 2 6, hydrogen 2 into 3 6, nitrogen 2, nitrogen 2, balanced. See, 1 potassium atom, K equal to 1, Cl equal to 1, oxygen 3. Here K1, Cl1, oxygen 2. Okay, now watch students. Potassium 1, potassium 1, Cl1, Cl1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. So you see students, oxygen is not balanced, rest are balanced. So what you will do is, left hand side 3 oxygen atom, right hand side 2 oxygen atom. So what you will do, here is more, here is less. So I put 2 over here. When you put 2 over here, number of oxygen atom becomes 2 into 2, 4. And here it is 3. Now here it is less. Put 2 over here. Now you again start from the beginning. Potassium became 2, potassium 1. Put 2 over here. See, potassium 2, potassium 2. Cl2, Cl2. Oxygen 2 into 3, 6. Oxygen 2 into 2, 4. See, again start. Potassium 2, Cl2, oxygen 2 into 3, 6, oxygen 3 into 2, 6. Now it is balanced. Children, what you can do is, when you are balancing, please do it with pencil. And after you have balanced it, you can do it in fair. Means you can write the balanced equation with ink. But when you are balancing it by heat and trial method, I would recommend you to use pencil. Manganese 1, oxygen 2, hydrogen 1, Cl 1, 1 Cl 2, here Cl 2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Okay, now pay attention students. How many Cl on the right hand side? 2 and 2. Total 4. 2 and 2, 4. Only one Cl. See. So put 4 over here. Now you see hydrogen how many? 4. Put 2 over here. Now you will ask me, sir, why did you put 2 over there? So that it gets balanced. 2 into 2 will give you 4. Again start from the beginning. Manganese 1, manganese 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen 2. Hydrogen 4, hydrogen 2 into 2, 4. Cl4, Cl2, Cl2. Total 4. C students, iron 1, iron 2 over here. So here is more, here is less. Whichever side it is less, we will put over there. See, start from the beginning. Iron 2, iron 2. Sulfur 2, sulfur 2. Oxygen 2 into 4, 8. Oxygen 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8. So balanced. This one. Lead. Pb is the symbol of lead. 3. But here it is 1. So put 3 over here so that it becomes balanced. Oxygen 4. Here is oxygen 2. We will start from the beginning. Lead 3, lead 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 1 and 2, 3. So what you will do, you will put 3 over here so that lead becomes balanced. Oxygen 4, oxygen 3 and 2, 5. So we will put 2 over here because here is oxygen less. Now see, lead becomes 2 into 3, 6. Lead 3. So what you will do? Again start from the beginning. Lead 2 into 3, 6. Lead 6. Oxygen 6 and 2, 8. Oxygen 2 into 4, 8. Balanced. See this one. Magnesium 3. Magnesium 1. So see, balanced. Magnesium 3, nitrogen 2. Magnesium 3, nitrogen 2.